Okay, we are on our way out. I don't know which video I'll put this in, but we are at St. Frederick's Church here. We just finished filming our last video. We were going to jump on the metro here, and then we realized, oh, we're going to stop here at St. Frederick's to get on the metro, so we might as well go ahead and film it now. So we're going to go ahead and just do a loop around here and see the church. And looks like this is the front, and it looks like it's closed, but maybe I'll jump across and see. It looks like it's got like statues of saints all the way around it here. So let's go ahead and get all the way around here and see some more of this church. Very ornate, obviously completely different than the church we saw this first thing this morning, where that was like a unique Gothic style. This is more your traditional European church. I don't know what style you would call this. I'm not didn't take a lot of architecture in school. Okay, let's see if the other side maybe is the front. It's hard to tell because there's just like a road around this too, so I can't tell what's the front and the back. It seems to be like almost a round building. Very cool, and the gold up top looks freshly redone. Very bright right now. Shiny gold up there on the dome. Another set of doors here also does not look open. So let's go ahead to the front. So here we are at the front, and it does look like that door is open. So I'm gonna go see how much it is to get in, or if I can just, if it's free and you can just slide in real quick and see if I'm allowed to film. So you want to come up this way? Do you want to hang out outside, or?
Yeah, I don't think you can.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll peek in and see if it's worth a look. Let's see. It looks like there's a sign here for prices or something. Opening hours? Yeah, opening hours. Let's see. Okay. So really awesome, beautiful church inside. And as I'm exiting, I was about to wrap this up, I noticed that here is Grundtvig. So I wonder if that's the Grundtvig from the church I saw earlier this morning. I can't imagine there's too many Grundtvigs in the world, but maybe that was like Michael back in the day. Everybody's name was Grundtvig here in Denmark. Let's see, is this guy? No, he's not Grundtvig. So maybe that was the church Grundtvig that we saw back there. But just another amazing, beautiful European church here if you're into the architecture and stuff like that. Basically any city here in Europe, you're going to get awesome churches just like that. Don't hesitate to go in and enjoy them. So I'm going to go ahead and end this spot here. So I don't know if it's going to go in the first or the second video, but future Kyle will decide later. Okay, back to more Copenhagen. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark. We are back out today. We stopped, took a nap from earlier today, and gonna head out this evening. I guess it's just after 4, and see one of the more popular areas of Copenhagen. Maybe the most popular, and the thing you see in the pictures the most, the Nyhavn district. So we were here on August the 4th, 2025. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees. It was sunny, but the clouds are back. No chance of rain. And we're just arriving here at the district, and we're gonna walk around and see what it has. Got a lot of expensive restaurants, I'm sure, that are super touristy. So we're probably not gonna be getting into any of that. But we're gonna be walking around and enjoying the views. And then we'll head out and see some other things around town before we head back in for the night. So here we are, arriving at Nyhavn. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Nyhavn. This is where in the pictures you see the colorful buildings right on the water with the ships, and then lots of, you know, seafood restaurants. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start walking down one side, and maybe we'll try to walk down the other as well. If they've got some type of food cart here that might be something good for dinner, we might do that. But a lot of these places are expensive, and we've got somebody here with a short attention span for things like that. Ooh, look at that. Crepes. I know somebody who likes crepes. So here we are, we're seeing the colored buildings like you always see here, right on the canal. And I guess they do canal tours here. People said they're pretty good. I think the tour, I don't know, can't see a price here. If I see a price, I'll tell you, but I think the tours are about an hour long, and I'm not exactly sure what they show you other than up and down the canal. I'm sure they give you a lot of the history and things like that, if that's something you want to do. But I just want to see the canals, see the cool old houses, see the boats, and enjoy the atmosphere. So far, Denmark, pretty cool town. Super clean, super nice. People have been nice. Just everything you could hope for. It's more modern than a lot of some of the other cities that you will and we have been in Europe. A lot more modern buildings, so it does, I don't know, kind of take away from it a little bit, but still you get that real different feel out here. You get to enjoy just different culture, different ice creams we like to partake in, things like that. Okay, look at these old ships. Let's see if we can get over here and kind of get a good look at one of these ships. I'm wondering if they still use these, or if these are more here for show and they kind of like do stuff on them for tourism or something, because, you know, like that one's got a table on it. It doesn't look like they're necessarily being used for the fisheries as much anymore, but maybe I'm wrong. You let me know. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and skip ahead here to some more ships or whatever else is up ahead here. So we've reached the end here of this side, and it looks like on the other side they've got like a walking hiking trail that goes all the way across. So if you wanted to get across, there you go. We got, look, one of these canal tours. Looks like they're coming in. Looks like I can get probably like 80 people on that thing. And you got this interesting view. Got, you know, some of the old buildings here along with, you know, modern, which is what we see a lot of here in the city. You see a lot of the old style buildings, and then boom, really modern. boom, really modern. Old style there. And then like old style houses, modern kind of looking houses in the back, and you got this modern bridge here. Everything kind of mixed and matched everywhere. Makes it a little unique. Really cool. So I think we're gonna go ahead. Oh look, there's my yacht. I didn't know they parked it here. It's embarrassing. Okay, so I think we're gonna go ahead, start heading back. We're gonna cross over, see if there's anything interesting on the other side, and then we're gonna try to go to I think it's Rosenberg Castle. Future Kyle will fix me right below here if it's Castle or if it's Palace. I can't remember. Palace. I'm always wrong when I say it, so it's probably Palace, but it's Rosenberg, I know that. Future Kyle puts it there. There we go. So we're gonna enjoy our rest of our time here in Nijhaven from the other side, and I'll poke in if there's anything else interesting that's different on this other side. Otherwise I'll leave you with just the views. Okay, so we're here approaching our next destination. And right now we've got the gardens all around it, which is actually, I didn't even realize how big they were, the gardens here. Ginormous and amazing. Look how big that tree is.
I know. I just told Micah to look up.
Yeah. So, Rosenborg Castle should be just right there. So we're gonna go take a loop of a walk around because it's just after 5 o'clock and it closed at 5, and we didn't really have the time to go in and see it anyway. We just wanted to see the buildings. We like looking at the buildings. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip over there and I'll show you a close-up of the building. Quick side view over here. This is about as close as we're going to be able to get on this side. So this was built in the 1600s, and this, I believe, now is home to the Danish crown jewels. So the Danish royal family, their crown jewels are here. I don't know that they live here, and they might have at one point. And there's another building that we were also looking at doing. Another part of the city that said that was their parliament now, but it was their home at one point. So we got the gardens here. Pretty sweet. Lots to see here in Denmark. And you know, there's probably 2 or 3 other awesome buildings around here. We just don't have the time to see today. Lost a little bit of time with the rain yesterday afternoon. So let's go and see if we can enjoy more of these gardens. Maybe get another view of the castle, and we'll start heading out. Well, that's gonna end it for our video here. I wish we'd have got a little bit better views of the building. I didn't realize you couldn't see the front. From the front, they got it all blocked off with the big walled building back here. But we did get to see most of the structure. Again, look at this city. What a beautiful city. What a beautiful park. I can't say enough great things about Denmark. So we'll have to come back to this one for sure, see more of it, more of the stuff outside the city. Stuff outside the city we could have done, but we just didn't have quite as much time as we would like to do everywhere we want to go. So from here we're going to be heading north to Gothenburg or Gothenburg, or I'll have to look it up. It looks like Gothenburg in English, so if I'm wrong, then you fix me in the comments below. And while I'm on it, we'll wrap up the video. So if you like the video, hit the like button now, comment, tell me all the things I pronounced incorrectly so I can pronounce them correctly. I try my best. Tell me how to spell or how to pronounce Gothenburg. If I'm doing it right, let me know. And then subscribe. We're heading back into Sweden here tomorrow, first day, and then we'll be heading up to Norway. And we'll be in Norway for over a week. So lots more to come. So make sure you subscribe. So till then, we'll see you in the next one.